Across the American West, a desperate battle is being waged against drought, extreme heat, and wildfires. Once vibrant landscapes are now marked by the scars of a changing climate, as communities and wildlife alike struggle to adapt. The land, once a symbol of abundance and promise, now faces an uncertain future. Rivers are running low, their currents reduced to trickles under the relentless sun. Water that once carved canyons and nourished valleys is now scarce, leaving behind cracked mud and thirsty roots. Towns that depended on these waterways are forced to ration, and farmers watch their fields wither. Rising temperatures and evaporation are robbing the land of water before it can nourish the ecosystem. Plants wilt, animals migrate or perish, and the delicate balance that sustained life for centuries is unraveling. The heat doesn't just parch the soil, it threatens entire ways of life. This isn't just a dry spell, it's a fundamental climate shift. The seasons themselves seem to be changing, with longer, hotter summers and shorter, drier winters. The land is transforming before our eyes, and the consequences are profound. Hardened soil can't absorb rain, leading to flash floods and the loss of precious topsoil. When rain finally does fall, it rushes over the surface, washing away nutrients and leaving the earth even more barren. Erosion scars the landscape, making recovery even harder. Once lush forests have become tinderboxes, burning with an intensity that leaves behind only dead lands. Wildfires rage longer and hotter, destroying habitats and releasing carbon that fuels the crisis further. The cycle of destruction seems endless. Traditional solutions, dams, pipelines, reservoirs, are expensive, ecologically damaging, and increasingly ineffective. These massive projects disrupt natural systems and often fail to deliver lasting relief. Communities are searching for alternatives as old methods fall short. The search for a better way has led scientists to a humble, furry engineer that predates us all. Beavers, once nearly wiped out, are now being recognized for their remarkable ability to restore water and life to parched landscapes. The key to rehydrating the West may not be new technology, but the return of an old friend, the beaver. By building dams and creating wetlands, these animals offer hope for a future where water, wildlife, and people can thrive together once again. Enter the North American beaver, a creature often overlooked, yet one of the most influential animals in shaping the landscapes of North America. With their broad, flat tails and ever-growing teeth, beavers are uniquely adapted for a life spent engineering the waterways and forests they call home. Once hunted nearly to extinction for their luxurious pelts, beavers were a cornerstone of the fur trade that drove early exploration and settlement. Their numbers plummeted, and for a time, it seemed these remarkable animals might vanish forever from the wild. Today, however, beavers are recognized as vital ecosystem engineers, essential to the health of rivers, wetlands, and forests. Their comeback is a testament to nature's resilience and our changing attitudes toward wildlife. Beavers reshape their environment by instinct, building intricate dams and lodges that transform barren or degraded land into vibrant, life-filled wetlands. Their construction skills rival those of any human architect. Their dams slow rushing water, spreading it gently across the valley floor. In places where only dry earth existed before, beavers create lush, green habitats teeming with life. An oasis for countless species. Water seeps deep into the soil, recharging underground aquifers and raising the water table. Even during drought, the land stays moist. Vegetation returns, willows, cottonwoods, sedges, bringing shade, shelter, and food for wildlife. These plants stabilize the soil, their roots holding riverbanks in place and preventing erosion that would otherwise wash precious earth away. In doing so, beavers accomplish the work of multi-million-dollar restoration projects for free, creating dynamic, ever-changing wetland systems that benefit both nature and people. Unlike static human dams, beaver dams are alive, constantly maintained and adapted. They foster rich, living ecosystems where fish, birds, amphibians, and insects thrive together. Their rediscovery has sparked a conservation revolution, one that values working with nature, not against it. Communities now partner with beavers, learning to coexist and benefit from their natural engineering. Beavers are nature's original water managers, and their time-tested methods often prove more effective and sustainable than our own attempts at controlling water. Sometimes, the best solution is simply letting wild creatures do what they do best. reminding us that nature's unlikely heroes can have the greatest impact of all. In Washington's Methow Valley, the Beavers' comeback is rewriting the rules of restoration. Once a beaver paradise, the valley dried out after fur trapping decimated their numbers. The Methow Beaver Project began relocating nuisance beavers to headwaters, where their dam building could heal the land. Relocating beavers costs a fraction of building artificial dams, yet delivers far greater ecological benefits. Over 240 beavers have been reintroduced, with most establishing thriving territories. Soil moisture and vegetation rebounded rapidly, and organic carbon in the soil soared. Streams with beavers now hold up to 20% more water in late summer, a game-changer for drought resilience. Inspired by the success, the state plans to restore hundreds of kilometers of streams using beaver technology. Now, even NASA is tracking the beavers' impact from space. Partnering with Boise State, NASA uses satellite imagery to monitor how beavers transform landscapes across the West. Satellites identify ideal habitats for relocation and track ecological changes over time. Areas with active beaver colonies become visibly greener and more vibrant from above. This high-tech approach makes restoration more efficient, scalable, and cost-effective. NASA's involvement signals a new era, nature-based solutions, guided by cutting-edge science. Beavers engineer the land, satellites report their progress. Beaver dams do more than store water, they spark a cascade of life. Wetlands around beaver ponds act as natural fire breaks, halting wildfires in their tracks. In beaver-rich areas, tree loss from fires drops dramatically. Beaver ponds create cool, deep pools vital for salmon and other fish, boosting their survival rates. Wetlands attract moose, otters, water birds, and a host of other wildlife, turning ponds into biodiversity hotspots. Amphibians thrive. Western toads and chorus frogs multiply in beaver ponds. Dams filter water, trapping sediment, and breaking down pollutants. Beaver wetlands can remove up to 45% of nitrogen, preventing harmful algae blooms downstream. The ripple effect of a single beaver colony revitalizes entire ecosystems. Nature's engineers create living landscapes that benefit all. Beavers are master builders, driven by instinct to create safe, watery homes for themselves and their families. These remarkable rodents are not just survivors, they are ecosystem engineers, shaping the very landscapes they inhabit. Their lodges require deep ponds, so they remodel streams by constructing intricate dams from logs, sticks, and mud. Each dam is carefully crafted, with every branch and clump of mud placed for maximum strength and water retention. This process creates a protective moat around their homes, keeping predators at bay and ensuring a stable environment year-round. Beavers can fell a 6-inch tree in an hour and build complex structures with relentless efficiency. Their powerful teeth and tireless work ethic allow them to reshape entire waterways, one tree at a time, often working through the night to complete their projects. The largest beaver dam, in Canada, stretches nearly half a mile, built over decades by generations. This monumental structure is even visible from space, a testament to the beaver's enduring legacy and the power of teamwork across time. In Montana, another dam stands 14 feet high, holding back a vast wetland. These impressive feats of natural engineering create habitats for countless other species, from frogs and fish to birds and insects, turning barren landscapes into thriving ecosystems. Beavers can transform a degraded site in days, achieving what humans struggle to do in years. Their dams slow water, reduce erosion, and help recharge groundwater, breathing new life into damaged environments with astonishing speed. Their instinctive engineering rivals our own, but with far less cost and far more ecological benefit. Unlike concrete and steel, beaver dams are living structures, constantly maintained and adapted to changing conditions. When given the chance, beavers restore wetlands faster and more effectively than any human intervention. Their presence sparks a cascade of biodiversity, supporting plants and animals that depend on healthy wetlands for survival. Their work is a humbling reminder of nature's power. By simply following their instincts, beavers create landscapes that benefit entire ecosystems, including humans. Sometimes the best restoration tool is simply letting beavers do what they do best: build, transform, and heal the land, one dam at a time. Despite their benefits, beavers can clash with human interests. On farms, they may fell valuable fruit trees or flood cropland, causing economic losses. Dams can block irrigation canals or culverts, leading to costly infrastructure damage. These conflicts led to their historic removal from many landscapes. Beavers are not a universal solution. Their benefits are specific to native ecosystems. Introduced elsewhere, they can become destructive invasives, as seen in Tierra del Fuego, where they devastated forests. Even within their range, beavers moving north due to climate change are accelerating permafrost thaw, releasing greenhouse gases. Their expansion highlights the need for careful management and local understanding. Nature's engineers require thoughtful coexistence, not blind reintroduction. The lesson balance ecological restoration with human needs and environmental limits. In Africa, elephants play a similar role as ecosystem engineers. During dry seasons, matriarchs lead herds to hidden water, digging wells in dry riverbeds with their trunks and tusks. These elephant wells become lifelines for countless species: zebras, antelopes, birds, and even predators. The wells transform barren landscapes into bustling oases, sustaining the food web through drought. Elephants' actions enhance resilience, support vegetation, and improve soil health. As keystone species, their presence shapes entire ecosystems. Without elephants, many animals would perish or migrate, weakening the land's ability to withstand climate stress. Like beavers, elephants show how animal instincts can sustain life in the harshest environments. The stories of beavers and elephants reveal a hopeful truth. Animals are powerful agents of ecological restoration. Their instincts, honed over millennia, create resilient landscapes where human engineering often falls short. Beavers rehydrate land and prevent fires. Elephants provide water in deserts. The lesson is clear: nature often holds the most effective solutions to our environmental crises. Conservation is shifting from control to partnership, working with animals instead of against them. In the West, this means relocating beavers and using simple tools to manage water without destroying wetlands. In Africa, it means protecting elephant migration corridors and water sources. By helping animals thrive, we help ourselves and restore the planet's health. The path to recovery is clear. Let nature's engineers lead the way.